Teachers bemoan poor working conditions. By Heniani News Online. By Silas Nkala. Newsday. Teachers across Zimbabwe have decried worsening working conditions, accusing the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education of burdening them with extra duties, while offering salaries far below the poverty datum line. Educators said the situation has deteriorated as colleagues continue to resign or take early retirement, leaving those who remain with heavier workloads. One teacher lamented that despite their sacrifices, they could not afford school fees for their own children. We are seriously being abused by the government. While they pay us poor wages, they worsen our working conditions through unnecessary work and even force schools to impose duty rosters during holidays. Teachers and their families gain nothing from this, the teacher said. Veteran educationist Benny Moyo, who retired after 35 years of service and now survives on a $30 pension, blamed the government for the current crisis. The working environment is not conducive to producing good results. The ministry should focus on providing teaching materials and infrastructure, not overburdening teachers. This harassment is eroding the professionalism of teaching, Moyo said. Progressive Teachers Union of Zimbabwe President Takavafira Joe confirmed cases of harassment, noting that holiday duties should be reserved for heads, deputies, and senior staff with responsibility allowances. He warned that the sector was losing more than 15,000 teachers annually due to poor salaries and frustrations. The quality of education will be seriously compromised, with teaching grossly undernourished and unable to sustain education, Joe added. Educationists outside the country, including Nkosalathi Ncube based in South Africa, echoed the concerns, urging the government to introduce allowances for extended duties and reduce teacher workloads. Teachers should unite and resist abuse. Pay them according to their qualifications and service. Without incentives, they will continue to die poor and humiliated, Ncube said. NKE Community Parliament Speaker NH Lanla Moses Ncube described the situation as part of a wider culture of abuse. Harassment, overload, and emotional exhaustion of teachers will never yield good results. The government must desist from overwhelming them with work, he said. Contacted for comment, ministry spokesperson Tongana Endoro promised a response, but had not provided one by the time of going to print.